Got one. Oh, yeah. I got a nice one. There he is. He's got a little weed on him, so maybe drag a little weed, but still a decent one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good sized bass.
Yeah. All right. Yep. Came right off. Yeah. All right, guys. This is what we came for. I'm out here, Lake Guntersville with Keith today on his boat, and we're kind of retracing our steps a little bit from last year's American Bait Works tournament that we did, and we're hitting some of the same spots to see if there's still fish out there, and looks like we found the spot. So stay tuned and let's catch some fish. Last time I was here, I had a couple of hits on the frog coming along through here like this. And I caught a bass on a worm over here on the right a little ways down. And then when that school of fish were jumping, and I caught one, it was like right out over here in front of that island a little ways. That was kind of cool because I was just at the right spot at the right time, you know. And I threw my rod right into it, and boy, they hit it. But then they were gone, you know. I caught one out of it. Ooh, got him? Oh.
Ah.
Oh. Got one right here. Nice one. Nice one. Get up here, big boy. Get up here, big boy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, he wasn't getting off. There we go. All right. Yes, sir. That's a nice one there. Yep. Good chunk. All right. Got him on chatterbait. Oh. Yes, sir. Monster.
Yeah, monster.
All right.
Hooked him twice. Only so much skunk.
Oh, right there.
Right here.
Nice.
I don't know what it is, but it's big. That might have been what I saw. Oh.
Oh yeah, it's a big drum. You have to gill it. I don't think they have teeth, but I just gilled mine.
Jesus.
Yep, this must be the drum area because this is where I caught my drum. Just stick your hand behind his gill and pull him up.
Come here, you bitch.
There you go. All right. All right, guys. Looks like end of the day for us today. I had a good day. I caught a couple of nice bass. Keith caught a bass in a nice big drum. His first drum fish ever, so that was kind of cool.
Yep.
We had a great day on the water. It was beautiful here on Lake Guntersville, and we were at the Langston boat ramp, the South Sauty Creek area, and can't wait for next time we get out here and tear them up. So until next time, go fishing.